In this video, let's talk about why watching more business videos keep you stuck. Okay. You have to really understand this. Okay. And this is going to help you a lot. You have to know where you are right now. Have you started an online business? Maybe you never actually have started an online business. Or maybe perhaps uh, you don't know exactly where you want to get to. Okay. I'm talking towards the people that know where they want to go. You have to make sure that the business videos that are aligning towards that one business model that you're trying to develop and grow, if that makes sense. Or the goals and the skill sets, are they going towards building that one business model that you're trying to grow within that uh, model? Okay, so you have to tell yourself this is that you have to know where you are, and you got to make sure that your goals are going towards what you truly want to grow and become. Okay, so you got to take a step back and tell yourself, okay, uh are my skill sets, are the books that I'm reading, or are the audiobooks that I'm listening to are going towards what I want to grow with that one business model? Okay, because think of like this: investing and business are completely two different things. Okay, so let's say you are tapping in towards investing, and then you're learning about uh, three different online businesses. They have different types of directions and different skills and different knowledge that you have to learn. So this is why I talk about why it's crucial to stay focused on that one lane first, which is that online business, so you can generate that cash flow and capital. And then once you start getting results, and then and you're confident enough that you're producing those successful uh, online business, then you could go and get in towards invest, if that makes sense. So you want to stick towards one lane, that one business, and making sure that business videos that are aligned towards that one business model, if that makes sense. Because if you're learning from like 10 different business ideas that's not relevant towards that lane that you're focusing on building, and you're probably learning the wrong skills because of that aspects. And then what happened is that sure, you can get knowledge from like investing and all those aspects, but the thing is that you're not concentrating, you're not focused on building the skill set that you need for that one business model that you're trying to get to, if that makes sense. So the thing is that the problem with this space is it's too broad. Like you know, with business videos, it's too broad. You have to break it down and tell yourself what are the skills that I need, that I can move forward with that one business that I can just focus on. Okay, and then from there, you're much more clear. You're much more focused. And then once you create that foundation, then you can move on towards different types of business, because business is super broad. Okay, so you have to like really tell yourself this kind of aspects is you can truly get lost in this whole thing, and you're switching from here. My main goal is to try to get you more clarity to get to where you want to get to, and it's crucially important to concentrate and stay focused towards that one lane, that one business. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to go and create this video for you guys. Maybe perhaps you're still uh, figuring out this whole digital marketing aspects. Maybe perhaps you're just trying to make sure that you are going towards what you truly want to be. And it's going to take some time. Okay. There's no shortcuts when it comes towards building what you're trying to build. Okay. It takes time. My goal is just to get you guys more focused so you guys don't get distracted with all these advices on YouTube, because what happened is that you're just getting, like, sure, you're getting all these different types of knowledge, but the problem is it truly aligning to building that one foundation, what you want to build? Make sure those skill sets are building towards that are going towards who you want to become. Okay, truly important. I wanted to go and give this out towards you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe towards this channel for more weekly videos. Make sure you guys check out my 7-part free training series where I go even deeper when it comes towards other thing that's going to be truly beneficial towards your life. And I'll see you guys in the next one.